Okay, this is the Fish in the Gardeners coming back on board. We're taking this little area right here, and we're going to place all those pineapples over there into this little place right here. And what we're going to do is, I actually seen this from a fellow YouTuber. So basically we're going to take them all and put them in this category and just put them all in this area and just go ahead and leave them there. And this person said they did this for about 15 years. So basically they just stuck them there, and once they got the pineapple from the original plant, it grew, you know, the baby side pups, and it continually gave her pineapples constantly all the way through. So we're gonna go ahead and try this method because our new thing of gardening for this year is what's easy, cost effective, and being realistic. So while we're strong enough to do all this work now, that's what we're gonna go ahead and do. This way later we don't have to worry about it. So we're actually doing our whole garden in ways to make it more easier on us, on our backs and everything as we are aging. And this is what we're gonna try. So I'll bring you back some more as far as how we're doing the whole entire garden. I'll eventually show you that in an upcoming video when we're finishing our gardening. So we have transitioned and changed a whole lot. So it'll be an upcoming video on that. But right now, this is going to be the pineapple patch. All the pineapples will be coming out of the buckets because they're actually too big for the buckets. And rather than keep constantly upgrading them in different buckets, we're going to go ahead and put them in the ground. So of course we had to buy a lot of soil to put them in the ground, but this is a one-time thing. Once again, it's in there, and they'll just do what they do, and we'll just come in, harvest the pineapples whenever they get through. And we got a couple of big pineapple plants, and all the way across the yard, and we feel that they just will prosper better for us inside this area right here. Okay. And as you can see, this is one of our biggest pineapple plants right here. So we really feel that it's time for it to give us a pineapple, you know. So we're just gonna go ahead and make it easier on it and go ahead and place it where we feel it will do best, and we'll put something else in this area right here. So like I said, we're trying to utilize the yard and use the space wisely as to not be picking up trees later on or picking up this or whatever case may be, because at the end of the day we want fruits. So okay, let me continue. Okay, so here's the end result right here. Step back some. Okay, so by us putting all the pineapple in there, and we got all of them in there, I can't remember how many there are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So there's 16 pineapples in there. And we got them all in there. And look at the space that we cleared. All the way down. All the way down. Cleared all that space. Okay? And also over here, because we had them all spread out all the way across. Okay, so that's what we're learning to do this year. Use the yard more efficiently to grow as much food as we can. So yes, that'll be about the end of this video right here. If you enjoyed this content, please go ahead and subscribe. Give me a thumbs up. If you have any advice, you can go ahead and comment below. And hit that notification bell for any time I'm going to drop some new videos. Have a blessed day. Goodbye.